Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT on TRC20 on Binance. For this, open up the Binance application in your mobile. Now tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right corner. Now over here, you need to tap on Spot in the top and then you will have to tap on Withdrawal. So once you are here, you have to select USDT. I don't have anything in USDT, so I will just demonstrate this. So tap on this withdrawal and here you have to tap on first option, send via crypto network. Over here you need to paste the address or the wallet address of that particular exchange relating to the USDT TRC20 where you want to withdraw your amount. After that you need to provide the network, which in our case is TRC20, and then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. Then you need to tap on withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be landed on the next page. You need to review all the information that you have mentioned previously. You have to look at the address whether if it's correct or not, and you have to make sure it is selected as TRC20, and then you have to make sure the amount you have entered is correct. When everything is okay, just simply tap on withdraw again and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.